day and keep smiling. Today we're going to make an awesome flamingo. So let's begin. So for this craft, we need a plate like this, 40 brushes, box. We need a paint palette, and we need a plain sheet of paper. So let's begin. So today we're going to be doing a flamingo painting, and it's going to be fun. So first we need, what do we need? Can you guess what color we need? What could it be? Pink. That's so right. You can take red and white to make pink. So I'm going to tell you all the combinations like red and white. So black and white makes gray. So black plus white equals gray. So blue and yellow equals green. For orange, we need red and yellow equals orange. Next, for purple, we need, say it along with me, blue and red equals purple. Blue plus red equals purple. Okay, those are all the combinations. So now let's begin with red and white. So then we have to pour red and white on this sheet of plate here, this one. And then we have to mix it to become pinks because it's a flamingo, obviously. Then what else would it be? A mix. And before we mix, we have to keep our hand like this, separated like that. And then we keep it like this. Our thumb has to be separated from the index finger like this. And then we stab it on the paper. And we don't move our hand. Okay, so now we're gonna mix. So we got the color pink. So we're gonna take some of, oh, this is so cool. Guys, the change in colors in paint is more cooler than in color pencils or crayons. Weird. It feels so weird. It feels so, oh, this is so glitchy and glammy, and we have to just stick it on the paper. So now this is our handprints. It's kind of weird and it felt kind of weird too. So we're going to use this brush to make it. Now we're done with making it clear. Now we gotta just do this. Make the thing neck long. Red and black for the beak and the legs. So now we're going to use this brush for the beak. Then we need to add a little pinch of yellow and then some red and then the whole beak with black. So then we're gonna apply some red, a little bit of a medium size, so not that medium, then it's gonna be even worse. Yes. Red and yellow. And then next is black. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I could Anisha, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend. But every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for you. That's the beautifulness of a flamingo. Final flamingo picture. So I hope you enjoyed this wonderful video. Give it a big like and comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. Blow it up and have a windy day.